this morning. Mariel, I know a lot of folks are getting ready to go out of town for, say, the Thanksgiving holiday. What's something they need to know now just to even be prepared for that?
You need to know that there are changes coming Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, we're going to prep for rain, and that's going to take us into early next week. So that means if you have any preps or maybe some grocery shopping you want to do and you don't want to get out on the rain because you know those roads can be messy when it rains, you may want to do it between now and Friday just to get it out of the way. Saturday would even be a good day. So here's what you need to know so that you can prepare for the week leading up to Thanksgiving. Today, more sunshine. You got nothing to worry about. 70s and it is dry. And we'll see the sunshine really the next several days. Here's the next big change that I was talking about. It's the late weekend rain. This is going to come in on Sunday and it could impact holiday travel depending in what direction you're moving between Sunday and Tuesday. So I'll talk you through that. We're also looking at Thanksgiving forecast, of course. Partly sunny. As of now, it looks dry. Earlier in the week, we had a model projecting some rain on Thursday or next Thursday. Doesn't look to be the case anymore, but I'll keep you updated on that, obviously, and a little cooler. But here's the weekend forecast, as I know a lot of people are traveling during the weekend. Friday, you'll notice more cloud cover. Temperature still of about 72 degrees. We have a front coming in, but it's going to stay dry. It does get a little bit cooler for the weekend with highs in the upper 60s, but Sunday is that day where rain comes in. So Sunday is one of those days where if you want to avoid the roads, you can, you should. Your Thanksgiving Day forecast is 64 degrees. It'll start off with a cool morning and in the afternoon, make it to about 64 degrees. And like I mentioned, as of now, it is looking dry. Let's talk about that rain. I told you there are two fronts coming in. The first one comes in Friday, and that's what's going to help cool us down for the weekend. But look at this. It's just cloud cover. Any rain stays to the northeast. Our next system is going to come in from the west, and this is what's going to bring us rain. So watch what happens here. This is Sunday around 6 in the morning. We'll see that rain first along our western counties. If you're traveling north, you're running into rain. If you're going to, say, the Rockies or anywhere north, you're going to likely see some snow anywhere with higher terrain. And it's all thanks to that same system. This is through the day Sunday. I'm not showing you 6 p.m. on Sunday. I'm going to take you now into Monday. See how that rain kind of just travels along the southeast. Eventually this rain, heavy at times because it picks in that Gulf moisture, is going to cause some issues along the east coast. Tuesday going into Wednesday. And on the other side of this area of low pressure, we could very well see some winter precip, and that'll be for the central plains. So if you're traveling north, that'll be something else to consider middle part of next week. We look dry though as we head towards the middle part of next week. So if you're traveling anywhere in the state, say on Wednesday, it's actually not looking too bad. We're going to pick up anywhere between 1/4 of an inch. That's going to be the most likely scenario. 1/2 inch for some locations along our eastern counties, and even higher the more east you go. If you're west, it's not looking like we pick up very much. I'm showing you DFW Airport right now. Blue sky, 67 degrees right now, not reporting any delays, but as you know, likely going to see an influx of people, so be sure to check your flight times. 67 degrees right now with a northeast wind. The temperature does climb to about 71 degrees. That happens at about 3 this afternoon, so overall just a beautiful fall day. 71 for the high in Fort Worth and in Dallas, 70 in Denton and in McKinney. Your 14-day forecast. This is what it shows. No weather to worry about here between now and Friday. We're going to experience the cool mornings, sunny afternoons, upper 60s over the weekend, so just a tad bit cooler, but close to where we should be for this time of the year. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that's when that rain comes in. It's not going to rain the entire time. So that's something else that I want to know. And the rain will be light. We do dry out middle part of next week and even towards the end of next week, Tashara.
All right, Mariel, thank you. That turkey sound gets me every time.